Hello, we are back with another episode today of a new game called Whirly Bird. It's that you can find in your Google Play app for free. It's a built-in game and it looks really cool. So the theme of the game is you're jumping around platforms trying to get as high as possible with this Android-looking icon. So I'm also with Claudio. Say hello.
Hello, everybody.
We're going to be taking turns to get the biggest high score. Claudio has already gotten the biggest high score when we played this. And I believe it was 35,000 or something.
Yeah.
So we're going to try to beat that today. Let's get right into it. As you see, there's a lot of things. There's these shifting platforms, there's trampolines, there's like crumbly platforms that break when you walk on them like that. There's also spikes and clouds. Clouds, you can't touch them. If you touch them, you'll just fall. If you touch the clouds, you fall through. Spikes kill you, obviously. And now it's Claudio's turn because I just died miserably.
Oh my god.
Nice.
That's not fair.
Okay, that won't count. We'll be fair to you today. Just today.
I'll try to get these hats.
First whirly hat. Second one incoming.
Yes.
And that's really lucky to get two in a row like that. Another one. Wow.
Another. Oh. I was about to get another one.
You could stand on them balls too. On the spiky balls, you could stand on them. If you're lucky.
Oh, no.
Oh, spikes. That was a good score though. 12,000.
I tried to dodge the spikes and get the trampoline instead, but I missed.
Yeah, okay. That doesn't count. That was just my horrible skill there. That doesn't count though. So, the controls of the game, I didn't actually mention these. It's you moving your device from left to right. So it's not actually you touching anything or swiping. It's you just moving your phone or tablet from left to right gently. If you do touch the edge though, you do go through the other side, which is really confusing. And whenever I do so, I normally fail miserably. Oh, that was lucky. Oh, ow. Ow, that hurts. That was really hard to dodge.
My god.
Claudio's next.
Trampoline.
Good start with a trampoline.
I need this hat.
That was a good jump there onto the hat.
Double hats.
Double hat. Can he get a triple hat? Don't think so. Really rare to happen.
Trampoline.
Oh, that looks like he's
Trampoline.
Whirly hat. Oh my god. His look is like the best at this game.
Oh.
Yeah, you could jump on them when their spikes are hidden. I jumped on one, but his spikes were out, so I died there. In my last turn.
No.
Oh, 3 whirly hats and he missed all of them. That's really unlucky. So now I'm next. Let's go. So, can we get... Yes, whirly hat. Perfect. One of my first ones, actually. There we go. Invisible platform. Oh, I want to get that one that just disappeared. Does that count as a go?
You can try again.
Okay, thank you. There we go. Whirly hat. Just barely got to it. Trampoline. Whirly hat. Oh, I thought I'm going to land on the non-spike side. That was really unlucky.
Yeah.
And there was nothing really to land on. So, The trampolines are also really good.
Yeah.
I'd say they're actually more worse than the whirly hats, since the whirly hats are normally in really awkward positions to get to.
Oh no!
Oh,
I just
you
went
missed
through
that
the
by like
platform.
yeah, you missed it by like 1 pixel. That was really unlucky. There you go. I want to get that trampoline. Oh, I couldn't get that whirly hat. Whirly hat, there you go. What you want to do is you really want to land on, probably in the middle. Oh, that was the luckiest I've ever had.
Yeah.
I was about to die there. There we go. Fall through the cloud and fall on that, and that. Oh, the pressure's on. And no whirly hat to be seen. Oh, I just saw one. Yes! Yes. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. I think this is better now. Through the cloud. On a trampoline.
This is your high score. Oh!
Oh, that was really that was unlucky. I was about to say that was lucky, but then that happened. That's a good score. That's 13,000.
Yeah.
Claudio's next.
We'll see if I can beat it. If I can beat this.
Whirly hat right there. Perfect jump to it.
I think you got about 1,000 from the whirly hats.
Nah, more. Definitely more. Like 1,500, I think.
I'm actually good at getting those invisible blocks.
No, I
get
think
lucky
what
with
they
them.
do is they don't disappear. As in, you could still jump on them, just you can't see them.
Oh no! Yes.
Oh, that was really close.
Oh,
Whoa.
first time I jumped on one of those.
Oh, whirly hat. There you go. You just bet my high score right there on the spot. By 1,000 only, but that.
Wait, I think.
Oh no.
I think you got 17,000.
No, I got 13.
Oh.
So whirly hat when I get that. Perfect. That's one whirly hat. Oh no, I couldn't get to that. That's so unlucky. I could have went right there.
Thank you.
Also, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And tell us if you want more of this or different games like Pokemon Showdown. Lately, you've been really liking that. But this game, it might be also quite good. Oh no. I need to concentrate here. Also, once again, big shout out to Pokemon Master Jake for subscribing. You are a big help to my channel. Thank you, really. You did help a lot with that 1 subscriber and the comment. I will do more Pokemon Showdown. I am planning to make one more video today. Possibly Pokemon Showdown. Ah, damn it. It's close. Close, but I forgot the clouds don't work.
Yeah, you really have to concentrate.
Yes, it's hard talking and playing at the same time.
Yes.
Claudio's getting really lucky this time. Whirly hat, then trampoline, then whirly hat,
Then
and then trampoline, and then whirly hat again. Wow. No, not a trampoline to be seen right now.
Oh.
But I did get a lucky landing on that spiky ball. The platforms kind of look like UFO.
Oh no!
Yes, if you do go through the wall, it does do that.
I did go through the wall on purpose to get the trampoline, but then it disappeared.
Oh, okay. Well then, there's so much of these. When I first started playing this, there was way less. Oh, close. There we go. Get up here. Here. Oh no, I am doing really bad today. There you go.
Oh, yes. Really hard. Trampoline.
I wonder how the whirly hats disappear like that. Just poof off your head.
Yes. I got the invisible block.
Trampoline. Another trampoline. Oh no, the other one was a whirly hat, sorry. Whoa, that was lucky. Lucky perfect jump. I do really want to stay in the middle of the screen.
Yeah.
Because there's more things in the middle. That's also riskier because the spiky balls spawn in the middle. So you could get caught, or you could fall to spikes, because the spikes, they are really often in the middle.
Yeah. And there's more.
They're everywhere.
The higher you go.
Yeah. And there's a lot, really. Well, they're everywhere. There you go. I think one more turn and we might end the video. We don't know. Maybe. Probably. It's getting like 10 minutes long now. And I do think that you do like nice and short videos. Like, I've been looking at some video stats, and it actually turns out that you do like short videos than the longer ones. Like the longer video I made, the Clash Royale one, the getting to tier 35, which I failed, by the way, because the season ended, we can't continue with that. You didn't really like it. It was too long, and you didn't watch much of it anyway. So that's why we're going to try to keep the videos nice and short. I'm getting really lucky now. No. Why'd I miss that whirly hat? Trampoline though, okay. Trampoline. Oh god, trampoline. Oh, trampoline. Whirly hat, yes. This is turning out to be good. Trampoline. Whirly hat. Trampoline. Whirly hat. This is good. I can't believe it. I'm doing this good. Get up that. And jump on that. Invisible block. No! Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes. 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 I didn't see that invisible block.
23,000. That's
okay.
Very good.
Yeah, that was my best ever. So, bye guys. We will end it here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.
Bye.